talking about essay. Essay is very important. Essay paper. Essay is for all examinations in India. In our essays examination in audit department, we have essays. So today I will be talking about the essays. And this essay UPSC examination, essay is very important. It plays very important role in UPSC examination. Aspirants, once you crack this essay properly, even you can achieve IAS examination. You can crack the IAS examination. Out of 250 marks, if you achieve 200 marks, you can definitely get IAS proper and you can crack the examination, which is your ultimate goal, our ultimate goal of all children. Now, how to write this essay? In my earlier video, I talked about a just simple framework, how the essay should be written. And 2020 examination of civil service, there were certain essay topics, 8 topics. Section E, there was a topic, essay paper 9. Section A. Now in this section A and section B, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total you have 3 hours. Every essay should be 1000 to 1200 words. Now, how to write the best essays to achieve 200 marks out of 250? It is very difficult, but it is achievable, and that makes the difference between the candidates. Now, first essay, suppose, is talking about life is long journey between human being and being human. Life is long journey between human being and being human. So it is beautiful. Or if you think you can write enormous, beautiful essay. Now, fourth essay is saying simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Now suppose I attempt this essay, what we can write? I told the structure. Structure is introduction. Intro. Introduction should be, in this kind of essay, you should write at least 6 sentences. So what should be the 6 sentences? If you read and think it, how you can write 6 sentences out of it? Suppose one sentence will be like this: simplicity is the godliness. Then you can write, it is without any complexity. Now, like this, if you can go elaborating this thing, many ideas will come in your mind. Now, in this context, you can write that simplicity makes man selfless. It is carefree. And calm. It is saintly. We can tell in this context we can remember the talks of Swami Vivekananda. So, like this, you can make a quote. Just Swamiji, what he said? He says that arise, awake, and stop not till you reach the goal. So like this kind of inspiring word will come in between. Now point you have to make, how you can elaborate more. There will be 4 or 5 points you have to go on writing. Your language should be simple language, and its tone. That you have to follow. Then your writing should be coherent and cohesive. And at the end you have to come to conclusion. Now here many points you can elaborate what I am just saying, like a calm and quiet mind can make or give best decisions. So simplicity is the sophistication. The sophistication only comes through the simplicity. Now, if we say a person is not angry, a person is not violent, he is having all kind of virtuous quality, we can write these all lines. He can give the best decision. So a society needs this kind of person who is simple, who can give the society a sophisticated mode of life, a peaceful mode of life. Second point that you can write, the simple and simplicity can make the thing selfless. And society needs this selfless person. The selfless person is more sophisticated. The ultimate sophistication comes through the selfless person. So we can write in the points of the paragraphs these things. And selfless person can make a society better. A better civil servant can only be seen in the society who is selfless. Selfish person cannot make a society. So sophistication, simplicity, selflessness, these are virtues can make you a great essay. So by that way you can go, and at the end your conclusion you can say that the society needs simplicity, society don't need complexity. So only to serve the people you or we can follow the simplicity and we can follow the simple life and by which a sophisticated society can be achieved, which is the ultimate goal of all of us. So like this paragraph, this essay can be made in this kind of very logical, cohesive and convincing to the examiner. So I believe this simple example will help you a lot, and you can write in a better way, but you have to practice. What just we have discussed, this we have to practice, and we have to write in a beautiful words and in a logical flow, and there should not be any cluttering inside the essays. So thank you very much. I believe this will help you a lot.